This is the Natto yogurt that Sachiaki from the Ikigai channel, Ikigai Diet channel, made a video about. On the left is the Natto yogurt, and this was made using the same ingredients as my regular yogurt, which is almonds, white beans, and soybeans, about 40% soybeans and 30% each of the others, soaked, pressure cooked for 11 minutes, and then blended. And then the other stuff is the regular yogurt. They come out pretty much the same consistency. The one on the right's been in the refrigerator for a while. Let me taste them, see if they taste any different. It's the regular yogurt, and this is fermented at 42.5 degrees for 24 hours. The one on the left is the Natto yogurt. It's still warm. It just finished, so. Oh, it's nice and sour. It's got a little bit of hint of natto, but it's pretty much sour. And the one on the right is much sweeter. It's also sour, but it's much sweeter. I put Amylase in both of them. I didn't have koji, but I have ordinary pure alpha amylase, and I put that in. So yeah, I don't know if the natto actually did anything. I think in my case, they taste very similar. There's a very slight odor of natto. It's not really slimy. It's not really sticky. And this, for some reason, came out much, much sweeter. Though this was fermented for 36 hours, and this was only fermented for 24 hours. Maybe because the amylase had more time to work in this one, it made a difference. But, okay. Well, I don't know.